What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home and Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to give you 4 easy work from home jobs you can start today. If you want to work from your own home, if you're tired of working for somebody else, working a 9-to-5 job, and you want to start that right now, then let me show you exactly how you can do it, and you can start today. So, the first thing got right here, this is called TextBroker.com. You can see it right up here. Now, what you need to understand about TextBroker.com. Now, I believe they allow you to write if you're from the United States, Canada, or Mexico. I think those are the 3 only places you can be from to use TextBroker.com. What this allows you to do is write content. You can see right here, I write content. Now, how much do they pay? Depends on the quality of writing. If you're an average writer, you're going to get paid 7 cents per word. The majority of people that I know get paid right about 1 penny to 1.4 cents per word. So if you write let's say a 100-word article, you get paid $1, all right? So it's not a lot of money. However, if you do this consistently, you will be able to work just doing this, just doing freelance writing, you'll make a full-time income. Now, if you want to know more on how to make money as a freelance writer, I do have a course, okay? It's called the Freelance Lifestyle. Show you how to make $10,000 per month living the freelance lifestyle, and I'll show you exactly what that is. It's very simple. The course does cost $40, so that is obviously an expense. If you want to get into freelance writing, I'd highly recommend it. TextBroker is a great place to go. Also go to Craigslist. That's another option, which I use them almost entirely, especially when I had my full-time freelance writing business. That's where I went because that's where the majority of the jobs that I got were from. So I'd recommend Craigslist. The second way to make money from home is from Fiverr, all right? What you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be creating Instagram posts. Now, what does that mean? It simply means you create a post for somebody else's Instagram account. For example, I will design custom Instagram post images starting at $10, all right? Now, a bunch of people sell these. Now, I'm not saying go on to Fiverr.com and go and create these different jobs. So what I'm telling you to do, I actually did a step-by-step video. Okay, so I'll link to that down in the description box below as well. It's called How to Earn Money on Instagram $1,000 a month, all right? And I walk you through it step by step. It'll show you how to do it, where I create the images, how I go about finding the people to sell the images to, and kind of how much you could potentially make, okay? It's a great way to start, all right? So again, I will put that down in the description box below. But all you're really doing is creating Instagram posts, okay? And most people will pay a few dollars a post, okay? Let's say someone pays $1 per post, and you need to make $50 every single day. That means you got to do 50 posts every single day. But it's not that hard when you have the right software. The software that I like and I talk about here is actually called Canva. You can see me using it right here somewhere. There it is. You can see it right there. Canva.com. All right? That's the second easy way to work from home. Third thing is to sell stuff on eBay. Now, I understand where most people are coming from with eBay. It's, what do I sell? How can I make money? How can I take money that I don't have and turn it into more money? Well, I actually did a video on that as well. And so I'll put that'll be the third link in the description box below, where I talk about how I turned $1 into $1,000 profit in only 35 days. Okay, if you're interested in watching that video, go check it out. That'll be the third link, but you can kind of see here. I started with $1. I bought a pair of Nike shoes from a yard sale. Ended up profiting $17.35. That's after eBay fees and shipping, okay? And shipping, and it only cost me $1 to make that. So in total, I took that dollar and turned it into $1,223.64 in about 35 days, all right? So that's another great way to make money from home, all right? Another easy way. Here's something else I want to show you. This is number 4. And I want to talk about this for a second because I think so many people get the wrong idea of what you do. And you need a license and all this stuff, and that's not necessarily the truth, all right? So this is called TaskRabbitcom. You can see it right here as well. It would be very similar to going and finding jobs or finding different tasks that need to be done over on Craigslist. But here are some of the services that you can provide. So it says the popular services or popular tasks. Okay. Here's one thing I want to to just say. Okay, furniture assembly and heavy lifting are great things for you to do. This is actually, I actually started a company back in 2005, I believe. Okay, it wasn't the very first company I started, but back I think in 2005, I started a company that we went in, we cleaned people's houses. All right, we cleaned people's houses, so we would do things, and we got paid hourly. Okay, I had a team of 3 employees. I think in the beginning I had about 3 employees. Okay, so we would put together certain furniture. If it was brand new, we'd dust, we'd clean, we'd vacuum, we'd do all that stuff. We would rearrange, which would be included in the heavy lifting part. We'd rearrange people's living rooms and dining rooms and bedrooms so we can clean underneath the bed, so we can do everything like that. And this is stuff that anybody can do, all right? So look at that, lift and shift heavy items. It would be like rearranging the living room or something, moving the couch, the TV, all that stuff. You and get one other strong person, or you have a dolly or some lifting bands or something, and you go in, let's say you charge $40 an hour, takes you 5 hours to move all the stuff around. They just paid you $200 for you to be in their home, moving stuff around. Okay, you probably had AC, you're out of the sun. Okay, you don't have to worry about snow or rain or hail or anything like that. You're good to go. Okay, so this is another great website. Okay, this is another easy work from home job that you can do, is to figure out what other people need. Now, I wouldn't recommend going in and trying to do light installations. Okay, don't do something where you're doing anything such as plumbing, electrical, anything that could cause damage. Okay, just protect yourself. All right, if you don't have your construction license, no permit, no insurance, no bonding, no nothing like that, don't go in and say, yeah, I can build you a second story on your house. No, you can't. Okay, maybe you should start off just vacuuming or sweeping, and maybe putting in some vinyl flooring or painting, something like that. Little home improvement projects, not completely renovate their house. All right, so if you have any questions on how to make money as a freelance writer, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you have questions on how to make money creating Instagram posts, first go and watch this video and then comment on this video. All right, if you comment on the video we're watching right now, okay, I will see it. However, I may not completely understand what you're asking, because unless you tell me that you want to know more about Instagram, I'd probably just give you a general answer. If you have more questions on how to make money on eBay, first go and watch this video. And if you still have more questions and not sure what to buy, I have a guide called 40 Items Every Reseller Should Know. It's a $10 guide. Okay, I'll put a link down to that as well. That'll probably help you out, especially if you're new. If you want more information on TaskRabbit, go to TaskRabbitcom, all right? Or go to Craigslist and figure out what are people looking for in your area that you could potentially do. Because honestly, there's so many things you can do. It's actually very easy. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.